Hi, I'm Kirsty Nunn.
And I'm Asha Newbold, and we're property partners for CR Real Estate.
Today we're here outside a recently refurbished 3-bedroom home on Queendown Avenue in Parkwood.
Let's go inside and take a look around. To the ground floor of this property, you have an attractive kitchen with modern appliances such as an electric oven and hob. You have space for a fridge, freezer and a washing machine. And to the back of the property, you have a spacious lounge diner overlooking an attractive rear garden.
Fairview Primary, Deanwood Primary and Parkwood Primary are all within short distance to the property, all offering a good Ofsted rating. Secondary schools such as the Lee Academy, Rainham School for Girls, the Howard and the Rainham Mark Grammar School are all within walking distance. To the first floor of this property you have 3 double bedrooms, 2 bedrooms with built-in storage and also a stunning bathroom with a 4-piece suite.
The outside space of this home offers a low maintenance rear garden, a driveway and also a garage, which could be converted into another reception room or used to create a spacious kitchen diner subject to planning permission.
Thank you for joining us on our tour of Queendown Avenue.
If you'd like to view this modern family home, give us a call on the number below and we'll arrange a viewing for you soon.